guys, Tech Master here. Mom and I are on the way to go get coats from Kohl's. So, and my dad is talking to his boss about the truck. So, we should bring it back today to the shop. So, hopefully that's in today's vlog.
It's a $100 coat and we only paid $30 for it.
Hey guys, just got out of Kohl's and we saved $166 on a coat.
Was it a $100 coat or a $200 coat?
I don't know. Why are coats this expensive?
Why do you keep growing?
I don't know. Good question. Slug bug, by the way.
Okay.
My hair's all crazy. I don't know why. Oh, probably the
wind.
wind. The wind. So guys, we are, where are we going?
Leo's closet.
Oh, why are we going there?
Because you need some pants and a nice shirt for the wedding.
What wedding?
Josh's wedding.
Oh. Oh, they're getting married?
Mm-hmm.
Today?
No.
Oh.
I think December 5th.
Okay. So we're going there.
I should run into Sephora while we're over here real quick. Let's do that real fast.
Is today Thursday?
Today is Thursday. Why?
Yes. I was just wondering. I literally turned the camera off and we're already here. Oh god. Squeezed in. Oh, where are you going? I don't know. Where are you going? Oh gosh. JC Penney's. Hey, it's our dog's name. Don't you just love the city? Mom's like, mm-mm. Wow, this place is empty. They're all at Kohl's.
Alright, you know what's in here. Where's it at?
I don't know. This is not where. What the heck is this music?
It's mascara. What's the name of it? I can't remember. Did they change the packaging? No, that one's
Makeup? I thought we were getting clothes. I'm afraid I'm gonna walk into something in here. That music is loud. I really want to watch it. That one's cool looking. I'm about to watch. Hello. Thought we were getting close.
We're going to Plato's for that.
Oh, that's what you said.
I just wanted to run in because I know how to pony.
Oh. Did you even notice you? Mm-hmm. Why didn't you say something?
I just don't want to talk to her. That's the job I walked out on. Like, I just quit, never came back.
Alright guys, apparently at JCPenney's we're just getting, her mom was just getting a...
Is that there?
Yeah? Remember her mom?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Short-term memory loss for the win.
You know what's funny is that we're just at Kohl's too. I saw her at Kohl's.
Really?
Yeah. I was like, run! You know what I do? Bump right into her fucking at JCPenney.
It sounds like a movie, to be honest. It's like crap, we can't let her see us, and then and we go to a different store, and then
She's there.
we literally like walk into, oh, excuse me.
Run! Okay, let's see. How do we get out of here?
Now we're going to
Play-Dohs.
Yeah. That's it. On my face is flipping red as heck.
Quit messing with it.
I'm not messing with it.
Don't let me forget we need to get you a lock too while we're out.
Oh yeah, get me a lock. Don't.
And some Clearasil pads. Do you even use the soap?
What soap? Yes, I use the soap.
Okay.
Have you noticed it's almost gone?
The tube? The
Yeah.
scrub?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I know. I did not. It looked like you hadn't touched it.
I haven't touched it since I haven't had the pads. I've been using Febreze for that. So guys, I might not be doing a stream Friday. Depends on the truck, like, cause I'd rather get the truck, like, if it runs. If we have it running Friday, I'll do a big vlog about it instead of the stream. So yeah. Oh, I see another select button. So see you guys later. She made me wear 7 pairs of jeans.
Try on.
Yeah, she made me try on 7 pairs of jeans. Shopping with you is terror.
I like shopping with you. I'm better to shop with than Sissy.
Well, cause you make me wear everything, and
You have to try it on.
Not everything.
Jaden, with you growing the way you are, yes, I do. Because I don't know what size you're in. Now I know. You went from a 26 to a 27. So, like, if I'm Christmas shopping for you when we're in Indy, I know what size to get you. Correct?
Where's Indy?
Indianapolis,
What about it?
when we go there,
Why don't I go there?
kids aren't allowed.
I'm not a kid.
Well, you know what I mean. Oh, joy.
There is no joy in this.
I'll just go down Quarry Road.
I might make a separate vlog for the truck. Depends on how long this one is so far.
People are idiots.
Whatever. There it is, guys. I didn't know it had that top part, but it does, so sweet. So.
Kai's gonna take this blue truck, I guess.
Oh, he is? Really?
If he can, yeah.
Doesn't he got
Oh,
one?
he took all the shit out of it. What if he clean out all of the back or just a little bit of?
No. He didn't clean out anything.
Well, it's okay.
Gives me something to do, though, so. Can this open? It doesn't open. I can't tell. The window's black. That plate don't matter, right? Like, I can get this in the film. It doesn't matter.
No, it shouldn't matter. Tire aired up and everything too.
Needs a little. Oh, needs a lot. Now you guys can actually see the dent and stuff. 'Cause the last time you guys saw it was dark out. Really nice. Oh, they got the hood closed. How about that? It don't run. Sorry guys, don't run. It might take a week or two before we get this going, so yeah. What the flip is that thing? I just noticed that. Huh. Oh my gosh, I have to clean this thing out. I don't even know whose clothes. I'm gonna have to put gloves on. Oh, here comes my dad. Backing up the Tow truck. I can't get that plate though, so I'll just show you guys that until he gets here. Big flat tire. I wish it ran. I'd just park it.
Clean enough?
Yeah, I could just move some stuff. Oh God. Move some of this crap over there. What is that? A coin. Jesus, kid. Oh, God. Guys, it's pretty nice actually. The seats are in good condition, other than I just have to sweep it out, and the dashboard is in very good condition as well. What's this doing? So many pictures of this guy in here, and maybe his girlfriend or sister or something. Who knows? Oh man. Does it even have juice in it? It doesn't even have any juice.
It's probably dead. Dead.
Yeah.
So, we got some work to do on it. Or,
Right.
so, put her in
Reverse. Neutral. Okay.
Alright, remember, if you feel it going forward, just don't hit the fence. It should come loose, okay?
All right.
You know the rule. Shouldn't happen, but...
Alrighty. Guys, I only have 16% on this thing. God. On my camera. Okay, he's taking me up. Can't really see, but... We're going up, guys. Sorry, I forgot I zoomed in. Alright. Wow, this looks terrifying, to be honest. Are we up? Alright. Yep, it's in park.
Yeah, we're all set.
Do you want the key? Right. Whoa. Okay then. Hey guys, it's the end of the video. Sorry, my camera died and I couldn't film anything else. But I cleaned out the truck and everything. I'm just gonna end this vlog off. Make sure you guys like, subscribe for more content. Alien162 and Lindsay is in the description for their channels. And Tyler's been making some pretty good stuff. Like he made one today, or was it yesterday? I forgot. It was like about this. I don't even know. I can't explain it. I forgot the title of it too. Links in the description. Like, subscribe for more content. I guess share like crazy, and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.